Hello Nigerians, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Ike's girlfriend trolls him and Messi in new viral video. Maybe Naija's Ike's girlfriend, Gigi Money, took her to social media to drag him and Big Brother winner Messi, who he dated for a few months. Gigi aired her thoughts via her insultive, accusing Messi of sending trolls her way. She stated that a smart woman would be more direct rather than sending people to troll on her behalf. The Tanzanian singer revealed that she has always been taking care of men. She described Ike as her babysitter. She also claimed that she gave Ike fame before he came to Africa. Guys, let me know what you think about this new revelation in the comment section below.